Okay, let's go ahead and work a little bit on single point perspective. Now the first thing you'll notice is I'm starting out with a pencil. Even though this ends up in pen, to do this the first few times really helps out in pencil. You're going to wind up with a drawing that looks like this. See, all of your marks, all of your lines go to the single point, and this is roughly this shape. Not perfect, but pretty close. Let's go ahead and start right here. First thing you're going to notice are these lines. Really pay no attention to them. Also, this box, kind of a suggestion, not really a law. Let's start with an origin point, which is right there. I like to start with a vertical because in single point perspective drawings, verticals are always vertical. And I'm going to switch and do that vertical as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and put in a horizontal and a horizontal. Now that we have that, using a ruler, we're going to connect all of our points to the vanishing point way in the back. And draw these lines lightly. They're construction lines. I'm drawing them a little dark so you can see in the video, but they are construction lines. You want them light. Now after that, let's look at our depth. And our depth is 2 units. So I'm going to make a line right there, and I'm going to make a horizontal. And then a vertical. So we have pretty much our box, as you can see in the drawing. Now also we have this secondary box right here. So I'm going to say it begins right about there. And I'm going to make a vertical and a vertical. It's 1 unit high, so this is a little bit too tall. I'm going to make a horizontal. And it also goes 1 unit wider, so I'm right about there. This is why we do it in pencil. Let me erase my spare lines. And it goes all the way down like that. We have an intersection right there. Now that box, I'm also going to connect with my origin points. Or vanishing point, excuse me. Box is about 1 unit deep. So I'm going to make a line. Let me fix up my horizontal a little bit. Right there. Now I know this looks like we have a ton of lines everywhere, and believe me, we do. But once we darken up our lines, you'll begin to see the outside of the box. Okay, see that is right there. We have the top emerging like so. Okay, and you can see, once I go over it in pen, that our drawing emerges. Okay, now this also says add tonal shading to the sketch. Tonal shading is, think of this point right here as the sun. Okay, apparently that is the worst sun ever. Where are you going to darken this? So this is going to be light, this is going to be light. The sun doesn't shine on this side. Try to stay in a lines. Sun doesn't shine on this side. So get it all gray. And if you'd like, you can go slightly lighter on this side. See how it's darker? Slightly lighter on this side. And if you'd like, even lighter on top. So you can see that is our finished drawing. This is a confusing topic, so stop it, rewind, and replay as many times as necessary so you can get this.